front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to Access Apps. Now tap on Manage Apps and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Finally, select Default Apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser. Lastly, click on an app that you wish to apply and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!